Hey folks, today is January the 4th. It's currently 9:37 in the morning. I've been watching the markets and we haven't had anything worth trading here. I just wanted to go ahead and start the video so you guys can see exactly what I'm dealing with here. This is a Euro AUD. As you can see, the market has just been going sideways. And that's the case with quite a few currency pairs that I've seen here. Here we're looking for a long trade. Don't have any setups yet. Here we're looking for a short. Hopefully the market will run into this level here and turn around and give us a short opportunity. Same thing, looking for a short. Looking for a long here, but we don't have our swing and signal dot here together. Here we're looking for a long, but we have our signal dot right here. We have our swing dot right here, but as you can see, the market's still pushing down. A little bit of sideways action. Also, no signal dot. This could shape up to be a long trade, but we'd have to have the market actually get back above the cloud. Then we'd have to have the cloud turn green, which will most likely happen at that point. Then both of these items down here, these indicators will have to turn green as well. But basically, you guys can see there's really no opportunities right now, so I'm kind of just waiting, hanging around to see if something pops up. Also wanted to mention we finally got our audible alerts. That was on week 4. So if you guys are just getting started, you'll get the audible alerts on week 4. Here we're looking for a short. As you can see here, we got the signal and swing dots right here. But again, we need the market to come down quite a bit before this to turn red, for the cloud to turn red rather. So that's where we're at right now. I'm going to try and show you guys the pop-up when it happens. Then we have about 16 seconds until this bar closes. Hopefully we'll get a pop-up so you guys can see it in action. All right, so no pop-up that time. It means no signal was formed. All right, so I'll go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back, hopefully, once we get an opportunity. All right, folks, this is what the pop-up looks like, and obviously it gives you an audible alert. Right now it's telling me to look at the Euro CAD. So once you hear that beeping noise, you can just come back to your computer and obviously just check out whatever currency pair they happen to be mentioning. In this case, it's the Euro CAD. So we'll take a look there. As you can see, we have our swing and signal dots right on top of each other. This is telling me that there's a potential trade setting up here. And at this point right now, I can place this on my watch list. Keep it over here, along with this one. Now, with both of these trades, it's going to take a little bit of time for these to become active. And that's if the market decides to come down for this one. So like I said earlier, we'll continue to watch it. I'm not really expecting much out of this week. We're just coming off of several big holidays. So we'll give the market its time to get back to normal. All right, guys, we just got another pop-up. AUD USD. You can see here, bottom. We have our signal. Let me pull this out of the way. All right, we have our signal and swing dot right here. 2 higher time frames are green. Green here, green here. At this point right now, what we're waiting on is to see if the cloud turns green. And also if we can get a nice push up, that would be ideal. At this point right now, this is kind of where we're at. Definitely don't want to take a trade under this level. Ideally, I'd want to be up here. And this is still moving pretty much sideways. So before I took a trade here, I definitely want to see the market break out, hopefully to the upside. This is that short setup. All three higher time frames are red. We're just waiting on the market to push down a little bit more so that some of these other things can turn red also. Actually, I think these two right here might be the better setups at this point. Specifically the USD CAD, if we can get it to work out for us. All right, be back momentarily. All right, guys, we might have a potential setup here. We got 10 seconds to go. If everything closes red here, this might be a good short trade. Hopefully the cloud stays red. All right, as you guys can see, the cloud is red. We're red here, red here. We have our swing and signal dots right here above us. So everything is looking good there. All right. The market isn't really moving sideways. So that's one reason I was able to take this trade. If it was looking like this, obviously I would not have taken it, but we should be okay here, hopefully. All right, let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back to you guys momentarily. All right, folks, I stepped away for a moment, and as you guys can see here, the market shot down to our profit target and actually shot down significantly further than our profit target. I don't think I marked my entry point, but it had to have been around here. So the market definitely gave us a nice push down. Beautiful trade. As you guys can see here, market is now pushed up above this level of resistance right here. And we also have this level of resistance right above us. We would need another green higher time frame for this to be a valid trade setup here. This right here, as you guys can see, market's going sideways. It's touched that level right there multiple times, at least 5 times. So that's definitely not something I'd take. All right, so there you guys have it. It is now 11 o'clock. I'm going to look at shutting things down here. But as you guys can see, the market is still moving really slow. USD total vehicle sales, USD FOMC meeting minutes. All right, so a few US news items coming up here. I have one more thing I want to show you guys. I'll be back in 1 second. All right, I've had a few people ask me about higher time frames. So I went ahead and went through and I got several currency pairs and I took a snapshot of the 4-hour charts. So if you guys want to, you can come here and actually see what a lot of the 4-hour charts look like with this particular trading system. That'll give you an idea. And all you have to do is just click on the chart and that'll make it bigger, as you guys can see here. And you can see what trades you could have taken on the 4-hour chart. And that's, again, for those of you guys that want to trade the much higher time frames, since I most likely won't be using those in a video at all. All right, that's going to be it. We're just under 10 minutes here, so that's the perfect amount of time. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to send them my way, and make sure you click the link below to get more information. All right, folks, take care.